I'm on a boat and we're about to do some scuba diving. Right there. My final Airbnb, actually not final, but oh, what a vibe, look at the view. That is Butterfly Valley, that's roughly where I'm living, off the edge of this place. It's called the Lithian Way, so basically it's a hiking trail that people take, but obviously I'm not going to hike because anybody got time for that. I'm staying here for 3 nights. I just went to come and see this viewpoint. I'm probably going to head back to my Airbnb with my super cool host and his little dog, Jojo. He's super excited. He's like 10 months old, a little puppy apparently, but scares the hell out of me every time he starts barking near me. Oh my god. I think what I might do today is head to a beach called Kabak Beach. It's my first full day here, and I've got 2 more nights here. Alright guys, I'm currently on the way to Kabak Beach from Butterfly Valley. Currently in the bus. Okay guys, so I'm literally on my way down to Kabak Beach. Yeah, so I got here from Butterfly Valley, jumped on the bus, last stop Kabak Beach. They can only drop you a certain way down. The drive here was probably one of the most beautiful things I have ever seen in terms of like the scenery. Once these trees clear up, you can see behind me what's going on as well. Look. It reminds me of that film Avatar. I don't know if you guys have seen it. You know, with the blue people. Bloody hard to get down. You can kind of see, like, I don't know if you can see, but the road's up here basically. To get down, you need to jump on a bus that literally goes down this winding trail and leaves you about maybe half a kilometer from the bottom, and then you just got to walk the rest, but completely worth it. So guys, I literally just went into that boat there, hardly a boat, kayak, where those little caves are, and I was looking back at this view. Let me show you. I basically swam all the way out there just so I could look back at the view and obviously get in the water as well. Fourth link up in Turkey. Cheers! Hey man! This is Alpin, my Airbnb host.
Hi.
We're currently on the way to Chelish?
No, Chelish.
No, not Chelish. We're going
to bus station.
Bus station, yeah. So I'm going back to Istanbul, and Alpin is going to
Istanbul too.
Istanbul too. He's coming with me. And here's Jojo, his dog. Hey Jojo. He's enjoying the view.
Maybe see you next year.
Yeah, maybe. Next time I come around, me and Alpin are gonna go water sports and things.
Which sport?
Water sports.
Yeah, of course.
No, he's enjoying the view too much.
Don't play chess with him.
Trip done. Time to go back to London. We're eating sunflower seeds. This is Mohammed and Malak? Malak.
We're teaching him how to eat bird seeds.
He's teaching me how to eat bird seed on the plane.
For all the Arabs.
Those are nuts, are they?
These are sunflower seeds.
Oh, these ones.
No, these are Egyptian seeds.
These are new. Basically, we went from
Level 1.
level 1. Where is it?
Level 10. Look at the size difference. Can you see that? try this one. You're gonna never do that, man, because I can't even do that.
These are different.
Sunflower seeds are easy to peel.
You show me.
Oh, فظيعة.
شوف شوف تعمل هيك شوف
You're gonna throw them at
هي
me.
بتحطها هي بالعكس
What?
Next level.
He's cracking with the molars.
Yeah.
هي تفرق
This way?
هيك تمسكها هيك
This way.
تمسكها هيك.
No, the problem is, you're not going to get the pressure right, so you're going to end up crushing it. Try it.
Do I bite it this way?
Put it in your mouth.
عندك سنان
This way.
No أطلع
No. Vertically.
Vertically?
Vertically. And then get the bottom of it.
فتشها
And then you spit it with your tongue.
We're sitting here like a bunch of birds.
Oh no. Don't put that on YouTube.
You should.
I don't know how to do that one.
هيك تبعها
Oh, this is going on YouTube.
Huh?
100% this is going on YouTube. Oh god. Okay, this is my flight home. That's what I'm doing.